It is unbelievable. Lightspeed at $37 a share. Let's explore what is going on with Lightspeed right now, possible reasons behind it. Has it something to do with the broader market sell off? How long will this carnage last? And at the end, my perspective if this is the right time to buy, sell, or wait. Hi, my name is Sunny, and I make videos that affect a common man financially. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button, as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which will be highly appreciated. This rising e-commerce star out of Canada, also called as Shopify in the making, has its stock price decimated in the stock market recently from its high of $165 just a few months ago, now crashing to $37 a share, which is a drop of more than 75%. That eroded huge shareholder wealth, dropping to a market cap of just $5.6 billion. This roller coaster rise and fall in the stock price has many possible reasons behind it. It could have been overvalued then or undervalued now, especially if you look from the perspective of an investor who has invested in the stock during these turbulent times. Broadly, there are two possible reasons why Lightspeed is falling in its market cap. Initially, a short seller report stating possible financial irregularities in their reporting suggested the stock price is overvalued by about 60%. Was there any truth in the report? Who knows? The fact remains a short seller makes money when the stock price goes down, while the jury is still out about the outcome of their report. As a result, the stock came crashing down to $80 to $90 range in a very short period of time. The second is Fed's latest monetary stance, where to check US inflation, they have announced a possible increase in interest rates this year. There is a huge sell off in the broader stock market, whereas the high growth stocks fell even more because of their richer valuations, keeping in mind their future growth potential. The fact remains Fed has just made the announcement and the actual increase in interest rates has yet to happen. But it seems market is nervous as there is a flight of capital from stocks to safer bonds. The chance is it can still go down even more from here when actually Fed starts increasing interest rates. Remember, markets often overreact to both positive as well as negative news, thus creating an arbitrage during which you can make money as the stock price is either overvalued or undervalued at that moment. Now, if you are a long term patient investor with a plan, there is a possibility that you can benefit monetarily. As a matter of fact, stock price fluctuation happens because of two major reasons. First, being the fundamentals of the underlying business, and second, often not so talked about, which is the human emotions behind investing. I know there has been some fundamental change with Fed changing interest rates, but they have just announced it. Rather, the only thing they have changed is the reduction in the asset buying they have been doing every month. Now you will ask, how come Lightspeed has come down to $37 a share in such a scenario? Their fundamentals alongside reasonable growth they are showing in tough e-commerce business remains mostly intact. Then what has changed? Like I said before, it is the human emotions behind investing, or some call it as herd mentality. Not long time ago, we saw FOMO buying at $115 a share, and now there is a panic selling around 37. The question you need to ask yourself, does both of them make sense? Remember, you make money when you buy low and sell high, then how come people are selling at $37 a share? In my limited wisdom, you need to have a plan ready even before you buy a stock, which will eliminate FOMO buying or panic selling that enables rational decision making while you employ your hard earned money to use. Now, about the valuations at these levels, which look little juicier to me, at least in the long term, especially if you look at the company and at the rate they are growing at. No doubt there will be some hiccups along the way, but I'm definitely buying at these levels for dollar cost averaging. But mind you, I'm not going all in yet. Can it go down even more? Surely it can. because nobody knows by how much and for how long this downhill will continue. As the fact remains, we buy in herds and often sell in herds except for the smart money. So, in nutshell, have a plan ready before you even buy anything and let's start thinking like the smart money. But that is me, I might be wrong. Do your own due diligence before investing based on your risk tolerance. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation. This is my take on the topic. Lightspeed at $37. Oh my god. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.